insalata Cesare con cavolo nero e croutons di focaccia. Caesar salad has become so popular, everybody loves it. But I'll give you a little different version. We'll make Caesar salad with kale, with baby kale. It's easy, it's delicious, and, you know, maybe more contemporary of the times, if you will. For a good Caesar salad, you need croutons, and I have here a piece of old focaccia. Cut it in pieces like that, toast it in the oven until it is nice and crunchy, and you let it cool. And then we go to make the sauce, the dressing for the Caesar salad. Garlic in the dressing for the Caesar salad. What really kind of emulsifies the Caesar salad is the cooked yolk of 2 eggs, actually, for this. Dijon mustard gives it a nice little zest. Lemon juice, white wine vinegar. And what gives the flavor to all of this is actually the anchovies. Let me put them in right now, and you don't have to cut them. And okay, so that's mixed. Now a little bit of oil, just to give it kind of that creaminess. I think that should be enough, but let's taste. You know, I always tell you, go in and taste and see if it is what you like, if anything is missing. So it's nice and dense. Let me taste. Perfect. So let's dress the salad. These are the baby kale leaves, and they're just wonderful. They're great. You wash them, of course, and you let them drain well. So I think that's enough of that. Just to make you more comfortable and familiar with the Caesar salad, let's put some romaine greens as well, just like that. Okay. Let's add the croutons. Okay. The dressing is salted just right, but we have an awful lot of salad here, so we do need a little bit of salt. And let's just toss it like that so everything is mixed. So pour it right from here, and I'm confident that it will need all of this dressing, but otherwise, you know, put it in a little pouring cup, and you can always add. You know, once you have the dressing added, you can't take it back, but you can always add. So always hold back some of the dressing. And you want all of the leaves to be really coated with the dressing, just like that. Now you say, okay, where's the cheese? But you see, you put the cheese once you have coated all of the leaves. So now, when you add the cheese, it'll stick to the leaves. If you were to put the cheese before and then the dressing would make clumps of cheese within the salad. This way, it'll stick to the leaves. Then you'll get that kind of freshness of cheese on each leaf. Okay, and some fresh pepper. And the salad is done. Okay. Maybe just a little bit more grated cheese. And voila. Let me taste it for you. Let's taste. It's delicious. And the combination of the romaine and the kale with the Caesar dressing, really good.
To learn more about Lidia, access to videos, and to get recipes, tips, techniques, and much more, visit us online at lidiasitaly.com.